SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to change the keyboard order on an iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you have multiple keyboards installed on your iPhone 15, then you're probably familiar with opening up an app that uses the default keyboard, bringing up the keyboard, and then tapping on the globe icon to switch between the different keyboards that are installed. You can also tap and hold on the globe icon, and here you're going to see the order in which those keyboards are listed. If you would like to change this order, then you can go into the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the General option. Then you can scroll down again and find the Keyboard option. Now you need to select Keyboards at the top of the screen, and then you should see a list of the keyboards that are currently installed. If you tap the Edit button at the top right corner of the screen, then that's going to display a row of 3 horizontal lines to the right of each keyboard. To change the order, simply drag on a keyboard, and then tap and hold on a keyboard, and then you can drag it to the desired location in the list. Once you've finished rearranging all of the different keyboards in this manner, then you can tap the Done button at the top right. Now when you go back into the app and you bring up the keyboards, if you tap and hold on the globe icon, you'll see that they have rearranged to the order that you just selected. So if you tap the globe icon to cycle through your keyboards, it should now be in the order that you just specified.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.